Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my add-ons and my mystery bundle that I chose from my first box. You know, I get 2 annual boxes. This is from my first box. So let's get into it. Check it out. Give it a little chit chat. Do too many add-ons for my FabFitFun this season. I didn't have too many additional selections because I have my partner box and then the 2 annual boxes that I purchased. They have done away with the $39 mystery bundle that I have gotten for many years. But they have added new bundles in, and one of the ones they added was a mega mystery bundle. It was $59.99. So I did that because I thought you might like looking at it. We'll do that in a second. But first, let's talk about the add-ons that I did. If you watch the channel, you know I may or may not have a slight addiction to hot sauce. This is the Zab's hot sauce. What I wish is that they would sell this one. The blue one, which is the St. Augustine style. Here, let me show you. St. Augustine style hot sauce. I wish they would sell this in packs of 10. I would just buy it. But they always seem to sell it, usually seem to sell it with the red one. The red one is lovely. It's quite delicious. However, whenever I have the choice of picking the blue, I'm going to, like reaching into my fridge, I'm going for the blue. It's got just a little bit of sweetness to it. It's not a lot. It's very subtle. It's very nice. But I always reach for it. And the way that the red one mostly gets used is when I'm cooking. It's what I reach for when I'm cooking because it doesn't have that sweetness in it, so it doesn't affect the recipe. This is Zab's. They are from St. Augustine, Florida. They use teal peppers, which is their signature slow burn and naturally sweet heat. They are grown in St. Augustine for more than 200 years and sourced from local farms. We love St. Augustine. It's always one of our first stops on our way to Disney World, so I may have to see if I can find them in St. Augustine on the way back because I can't buy a case of hot sauce on the way down. But I love this hot sauce. And if you too enjoy hot sauce, highly recommend. If you're new to FabFitFun, it is a lifestyle box, by the way. I am a partner. I will put links and codes down below. If you sign up as an annual, it will be $219.99. And with my code, Catherine Gift, you will get a gift valued at more than $200. If you'd prefer to pay season over season, it is $69.99 per season. And with Catherine, again, I'll put the links below, it will get you 20% off your first box. I do 2 annual boxes that I pay for myself. I have done it for years. I like to think that I present FabFitFun the same exact way now as I did 5-6 years ago when I started doing this. I have always loved FabFitFun. I still love FabFitFun, and I'm always going to be honest with you about FabFitFun. Like we talked yesterday about some of the pricing, like the mystery bundle we're going to talk about, or yesterday's mystery bundle. It wasn't yesterday. I will have put it up a few days ago, but so anyway, if you have any questions, let me know below if it's something that I can help you with. I am happy to do it. I love FabFitFun. Okay, this is Sheer-Tex. These are the tights that they promised me I would need never to have another tight purchase in my life. They say, look, there's scissors in there, and they're fine. They say I'm not going to put my nails through them. I'm not going to catch them. They're not going to run. They're going to last forever. They were like $29.99, so I'm hoping that is true, but it says never wear disposable tights again. We'll see. They're from Canada. I plan to blame all of Canada. No, I'm kidding. But responsibly made in Canada, a polymer 10 times stronger than steel. Faster than a speeding bullet. I will also be faster than a speeding bullet. So I'm anxious to see. I wish there was a way I could put these on and show you guys, but I'm just not that girl. I am sure that over the course of the next, I will get one soon. I have been looking at some fall dresses. When I do those dresses, when I do the try on, I will put the tights on too, so check back. But $29.99 is a lot, so I really hope that they last forever. And last for my add-ons, and I got 2, and I talked to you guys about this, and I can't, unfortunately, open them because they're gifts. But my cousin, who is already younger than me, much younger than me, has 2 children, and they've always just called me Aunt Kathy, and they are twins. And they have each now had baby boys. And they had them like 3-4 months apart. So for Christmas, I picked up the baby blankets in the blue, but it is a sand dollar, starfish. stay with me. So soft. I love Barefoot Dreams. I love that this is Little Boy Blue. They are both infants, so they're not going to mind that I'm giving them blankets. Don't worry. I will also tuck a toy in for those of you who think blanket. I will put a toy in there too. But these were so pretty and on sale for $34. That is such a great deal for a Barefoot Dreams, and not to mention that it's a baby blanket. It is the, oh, it says Starfish right on here. Deep Sea Blue, one size, CC Starfish baby blanket, 30 by 40, and they were half price. So that is a great deal. I picked up one for each little baby boy because I didn't want the other one to be jealous. They'll both love them. So that's all I did in add-ons. I did the 2 blankets, the Wonder Tights for me, and the hot sauce. Technically also for me because my husband does not like hot things nearly as much as I do. Okay, let's talk about this Mega Mystery Bundle. So when I open my boxes that I know I'm going to have a mystery bundle in, they're always in those nice little clear packages, and I always say to my husband, hey, how about moving that aside so I can't see it because I want to be surprised with you guys, kind of like yesterday, or I keep saying yesterday. For you guys, it will have been Thursday. Kind of like last Thursday when we opened the mystery bundle. If you haven't seen it, you should definitely go back and check it out. I got a cactus. I got a cactus. It wasn't a cup. It was not a cactus cup. Still a little unusual. But it was a surprise to me. This is not a surprise because when I sent my husband to do the same thing with this box, there was no bag. These items were just individually, boop, all over my box. So he couldn't help because it had to be sorted out from what was things that I just ordered and what, so I had to go in and do it. And then I went back and looked at my, to be sure I was making the right choices, I went back to look at my receipt, you know, when they send you your you have been charged for, which I didn't look at when it came, my bad. Or not, because then I would have known so much sooner so that I would know which items were loose and which went with my box, because this also includes the box that I did last Thursday, you know, my refills and that kind of thing, which I wanted to do with my box. And that receipt told me all of these items. It just had them listed separately and individually. And afterwards it had the mystery bundle label, which was like WA04 or something. So if you had looked at that originally, there would have been absolutely no mystery to your mystery bundle. So hashtag dislike. I want it to be in a bag so my husband can pull it out and I don't have to see it. And I don't want it to be individually listed on my receipt because then there's no mystery. Anyway, so I have everything that I received in the box right here. I guess I could just show you guys. This is the mystery bundle. We can talk about the weirdness of it as we go along because I have to tell you, I'm sure the value is here. I don't know that they make any promises anymore about how much it has to be worth. I'm sure it covers my $59.99. I don't think for me it's perfect, but it's a mystery bundle. Mystery bundles can be weird. We saw that on display when I opened my FabFitFun box. Here we go again. This one says good mood. They're cups. They are plastic cups. And they just say good mood, party on, cocktail tumblers. I'm not taking these out of here because I'm gonna find somebody else that wants to party on with some cocktail tumblers. Maybe I'll put them in a giveaway and you'll get lucky, but not exactly perfect for me, but I am probably also not the FabFitFun demographic. I'm probably old. They were probably not even trying to appeal to me. They were probably trying for a much younger demographic. Let me know below what you think. Well, you can just let me know what you think about the entire Mega Mystery Bundle when we're done. Let me know your favorites and your least favorite products. Next out, and I got 2 of these. BRB. See, this is what happens when you don't have a happy heart. This is the Lord reminding me to be happy. If you're happy and you know it, do a petty. So I have 2 of these sets, the petty in a box. This one is the Deluxe 4-Step Lavender Relief, and this is the Deluxe 4-Step, what does that say? Lemon Quencher. But there's 3 boxes in here. So does that mean I have 6? This is 3 boxes. Let's see what I've got. Because I know if I have 6, what everybody's getting for Christmas. Yeah. So I have the 4-Step Petty in a Box Lavender Relief. I have Jasmine Soothe. And I have Eucalyptus Energy Boost. I'm gonna like this one. I like to save, I always say this and some people are like, you know, you can use it when you're not sick. I mean, I kind of get it. Uh-oh, I might have, well, I won't be giving that one away because I just cut through the lid. Anyway, I really like eucalyptus when I have a cold, and that's generally when I get eucalyptus things, what I save it for. This one I may have cut through just a skosh. This is the Vitamin Recharge Petty in a Box. Did you even know there were this many? The Tangerine Glow and the, oh, repeat. Nope, not a repeat. So I missed one. Honestly, I'm not sure which one I missed. Lavender Relieve, Jasmine to Soothe, Lemon to Quench, Vitamin to Recharge, Tangerine to Glow, and Eucalyptus for Energy. Okay. I think it's unusual that in one mystery bundle, because I think that they have shelves of stuff and they pick. I think it's interesting that I got 2 of these because I feel like probably 2 people each chose one. That's a lot of pennies. Like I said, everybody's going to be getting one for Christmas. Maybe even the one I cut through because that one's the Vitamin Recharge. So I suspect my younger girls will like that. But each set has a sea salt soak, a sugar scrub, a mud mask, and a massage butter. Next out, I have the Perricone MD. So yay. Most people are like, whoop, whoop, right now. I have the No Rinse Exfoliating Peel. And it's L-carnitine, hyaluronic acid, and copper complex. It's probably lovely. I'm going to go out, I didn't look at any of these, but I'm going to go out on a limb and assume that I cannot use this because peels peel me. And then they make me the color of a red apple, and I stay that way for days. Only because of my ignorance, I don't see anything in this that immediately I think, ooh, I can't do that. There are things in here I don't know what they mean, so I'm obviously not going to open this because likely one of them is going to be a trigger for me. But inside, oh, it's a whole thing. Inside you have the pretty Perricone bottle. Hold on, let me get this back in without, I don't want to accidentally touch this. And there's a dropper. Get that back in there. I don't want to accidentally touch it because I'm sure I will be passing it along. I probably just squished the paper in the bottom. That's the instructions if you happen to be the one that gets this. But that is that. Next we have an R&Co Crystal Halo Balancing Scalp Scrub Shampoo. I will probably use this because I like R&Co. I like scalp scrubs. If I don't like it, my husband will. Somebody around here will like a scalp scrub shampoo. So yay. This one will definitely get used. Oh, that smells really good. I like the scent of that very much. Oh, it's very thick too. I'm trying to squeeze it out without it going. Yeah, that smells good. Take a little bit off the top. Oh, and it's a light scrubby scrub. It's not like it's, you know, some of them you really struggle getting the scrub down to your scalp. This is not a lot of scrub, so. And last, yes, Glamnetics. It is a nail set. It is the Fairy Dust Short Oval. They are very pretty, very, very pretty, and either the 13 or 17-year-old will love this. So this is fantastic. I might even set it aside for a Christmas gift. It's beautiful. This is a very nice set. It's probably a $15, $20 set, so that helps too. So as far as I am concerned, this was Christmas shopping. It was $59.99, and like I said, you know, how much are these? Let's look. 3 count of these on Amazon, in all fairness. A 3 count of these is $22, and I got 2 of those. Oh, and it's sold by Vesh on Amazon. So legit, $22 for 3 of them. And I got 2 sets of those. So I got $44 in pedicures. And then the Glamnetics, the R&Co, this was probably $20, $30. Let's be honest. Here, let's look it up. That Perricone peel is probably like $1 billion or 62. Somewhere between 62 and $1 billion. So just for the record, just in pedicures and Perricone, I have $100, more than $100 worth of goodies. Plus I have these lovely cups. the Glamnetics, which is, as far as I'm concerned, probably the best thing in here, because although I won't use them, one of my girls will love them. And then the scalp scrub, which I will use. So the money's there. Let me know what you guys think. I think when I got the $39.99 ones, they were almost just as good. And now that it's $60, I mean, $60 feels like more money. And I do realize it is indeed, it's not just a feeling. It is more money than $40. But I remember when they were $29.99, and then not too long ago, they went to $39.99, and now they've done away with that, and we're up to $59.99. And I don't know if I will keep, I mean, $60. I could add another box. Think about that. No, let's not think about that. Not today, another day. This is a bunch of gifts. That's great. I have 6 of the Vesh things, the Glamnetics. I've got some gifts here, so it's perfect. Let me know what you guys think. Would you do it again? Shall I try it again next season? The mystery bundles were off the rails. I don't know who is in charge of mystery bundles this season. I love FabFitFun. Don't get me wrong. I love my box. I love my add-ons. The choices that I made. This was half the price as if I bought it in a store. So the add-on sales are fantastic. When you step into mystery bundle land, enter at your own risk. It could go any way you want. I have had great ones. I have had really bad ones. This season, I feel kind of like whoever was in charge of mystery bundles was like, Thank you so much for coming by. I know this was supposed to be a quick one. It's pretty quick. I just did my few add-ons. I got the little Barefoot Dreams blankets for the babies. I love that. I have my tights. I will never need to buy tights again as long as I live. Yay me. And I have the nice mystery box. I appreciate you guys so much for taking the time to be here. And guess what? I have my second annual FabFitFun winter box. I'm getting ready to tape it next, so I'm very excited about that. All new and different things. I think I did every box I did, everything was different in it. So that's kind of fun. I will see you again with that box just here in a minute / tomorrow. Okay. Talk to you soon, guys. Thanks again.